This is the beginning of it. I was just explaining something where, well, things went off the handle. I couldn't actually handle the situation. So, well, the picture here is some rice. We've got some rice to eat for dinner, and we have a wood spoon. It's a kind of longer spoon made of wood. Probably, to stir water, rice, stew, whatever you cook in the saucepan, with which we have become eternal enemies. And I have explained all this in a previous video clip. So this is a little flake of cheese, a cheese flake. Can I call this cheese flake? Well, it's rather right good, I believe. Now, all right, we were trying to get the crackers. I think we can call this crackers because they crack. This is not actually eating. This is like holding between your teeth or between your jaws. Here we go. Oh God, I failed. Second chance. Oh, okay. I don't know what I said. Alright. Okay, in this moment. Okay. Oh. Oh, how? Oh, okay. So I found a way to get the cracker and with cheese on it. Then I can kind of, you know what? Just add the mayo. You have a very good. What do you call this in English? Zoom in. This is a zoom in. Ooh, zoom in, mayo and cheese mixed up, and then of course we've got this. Remember, kind of mustard. I always stick the fucking knife in my eye, my left eye to be more precise. I can rap on it if I want to, because I am the one who knows what to say about it. This is broken cracker between your thumb, and then the fingers. This is fucking shit. This is fucking good. Well, so we've got the rice. This is hot. We've got the rice being cooked. I don't know how much time is going on, but I think it's time to stop working on the hamburgers. So we're gonna grill them. I think you call this grill. Oh fuck. What else? Well, yes, I know. Stay there. Be quiet. Can we get a grill? Is there any grill to be got? I believe so. When I open in, the oven is not always that easy. I can see the grill hiding right under the pan. Take it with some effort. Doing something and making an effort to get the fucking thing done, it's kind of rewarding. When you do something and it's so easy that there's not much pain in it, there's not much, effort and trying and failing and trying again and persistence and all the fucking shit. You know what I'm talking about? I believe that you don't actually feel proud of it because, you never doubted doing it properly. I mean, for example, turning on the fucking stove can be difficult for someone like me. And what's going on? Battery low, but I'm fucking charging it, okay? Are you still recording this? Oh shit, this might be difficult. Oh, did you see that? It was like fucking gas coming out of it. Where is it? I mean, okay. I'm not talking to anybody, motherfucker. I'm just recording a fucking video in my fucking house. shit.